Liquid limit test. Apparatus to be used. Dish, preferably unglazed porcelain or similar mixing dish, about 115 mm diameter. Spatula, having a blade about 75 mm to 100 mm in length and 20 mm width. Liquid limit device, manually or mechanically operated, consisting of a brass cup, carriage, and base plate. Grooving tool with gauge. Containers. Oven with temperature control. Balance, sensitive to 0.1 grams. Adjustment of liquid limit device. The liquid limit device shall be inspected to determine that the device is in good working order. Wear is considered excessive when the point of contact on the cup or base exceeds approximately 13 mm in diameter, or when any point on the rim of the cup is worn to approximately 1/2 of the original thickness. Adjust the height of drop of the cup so that the point on the cup that comes in contact with the base rises to a height of 10 mm plus or minus 0.2 mm. Check the height of the drop prior to each day's testing. Obtain about 100 grams of sample from a thoroughly mixed portion of the material passing the 425 mm sieve. Mix the sample with 15 to 20 ml of distilled water. Mix it thoroughly by alternately stirring and kneading with spatula. Further addition of water shall be made by 1 to 3 ml increments. Place a portion of the paste in the brass cup of the liquid limit device. Level off the surface with a spatula to a maximum depth of 10 mm and divide the soil pot into 2 segments by means of the standard grooving tool. Mount the brass cup to the carriage such that it can be raised and allowed to trap sharply on the base through a height of 10 mm by rotating the crank at an approximate rate of 2 revolutions per second until the closure of the groove of about 13 mm from the bottom. Take a slice of approximately the width of the spatula extending from edge to edge of the soil cake at right angles to the groove. Record the weight of empty drying can. Place the sample in a drying can for moisture content determination. The soil remaining in the cup shall be transferred to the mixing dish. The cup and grooving tool shall then be washed and dried in preparation for the next trial. Repeat the process with different moisture contents of the soil in the range of 15 to 35 blows. A total of 4 determinations should be made. Record the mass with sample. Oven dry the soil to constant mass at 110 degrees plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius at constant weight. Record the loss in a mass as the mass of water. Plot moisture content against log number of blows and draw the flow curve.